Hi, my name is Vivian Dittmar. In my talk about your inner GPS, I will talk about the 5 disciplines of thought, which in my experience form your inner guidance. The 5 disciplines of thought, as I define them, are your rational mind, your intuition, which shows itself in your belly, your inspiration, which comes from above, revealing insights and information, your heart intelligence, which reveals itself here in the center of your heart space, and your intention, which is your way of giving your life the direction of what truly matters to you. Of these 5 disciplines of thought, in our culture, the rational mind is the one that is most dominant. That's the one that our educational system really emphasizes. The other disciplines of thought, your intuition, your inspiration, your heart intelligence, and your intention, are often ignored, and thereby many people have a hard time accessing these faculties. Yet without them, we find ourselves really lost and confused often, and we have a really hard time navigating our lives. That's why I call the combination and interplay of these 5 disciplines of thought your inner GPS. The not so well known disciplines of thought, such as intuition, inspiration, and heart intelligence and intention, in my understanding, are transrational faculties. And they have their own way of appearing in your system. In order to even perceive them, it's important to learn to quiet the rational mind enough to access deeper levels of perceiving in yourself. And that's when we can access our intuition in our belly, or our heart intelligence and our heart, or our inspiration. So in my presentation, I look forward to giving you an overview of the 5 disciplines of thought. And then later in my workshop, we can go into actually exploring on an experiential level what it feels like to access these faculties in your system. I look forward to seeing you there.